Okay guys, I'm here in Canva and I'm gonna create a design. I'm gonna select presentation. I'm going to go for a design or a template out of here, or if not, I just wanna go for an element. Let's say I want my presentation to have elements. So I wanna hit that. And then I wanna start by doing a background. So I pick that, it's free. So I can make it as big as I need to and then move it around. I'm just giving you an example. If I chose the topic for childhood, then I'll pick something that maybe I could go here and I just want to go to say children playing, for example. So I pick one here to maybe set the tone of the presentation. I only need one, so I'm gonna get rid of one. And let's say here I want to do my sentences, and that's where I'm gonna try to add a text to it. So I'll go down here and then I'm just gonna add a heading. I'm gonna start with the basic. I'm not gonna go fancy right now, because remember, it's the very basics of Canva. So I wanna say my title was, okay, my heading disappeared. So cuando era niña. And of course, niña has an accent. I'm working on how to get that. So I want my heading on the top. Trying to move it. It'll be over here. And then a lot of you want to go right to the sentences. Remember, I do not want these to be out of Google Translate because it brings that word I don't want to see, Solia. So you kind of have to ask me. So I guess I can do a subheading and I can just start with my sentences. Number one, número uno. I think of something here. Jugaba con mis primos en el parque. Parque. You can do this two different ways. You can list your 13 sentences this way, all in this one slide. But if it turns out to be too small for it, you can add a page down here, or I believe you can also do it over here. You can, or you can duplicate the same page, do your design, duplicate it. So if you want to add an empty page, I think you can do it here. And then you can continue to add these sentences. If you want to write a paragraph, you can also write a paragraph. But again, this is the very basic of your canvas. If you're like, I want to provide a picture, I'm sorry, I want to provide a picture. I need to fix that because now it moves. So you see that this is sensitive and it moves. You want to move it, but there it is. What about uploads? Can I find pictures that I have? Yes, you can. You hit upload media and then your drive should have just about everything you need. So you go here and you look through your folders. And I'm just going to find an example here. Just going to get this guy here. And let's say this is something that signifies something in my childhood. So I put it there. And that comes right out of my drive. You can use that as well. You can use the pictures you have on your drive. Well, I hope this short tutorial helped you. I will be walking around in class to help you with the very basic. If there's anything you can contribute to, let me know. I'll write it down so that I can pass it along to the other students, because usually students are really knowledgeable. And say that you're done. You will hit share and you will copy a link. And I imagine that once you copy the link, you are going to go to Schoology and you open the class that you are on. And then the assignment was given to you Monday. So you go over there on Monday. Once your whole thing is done, you're like, I'm ready to turn it in. You go here, you open in the imperfect tense project choices. And I'm imagining, because again, this is my version, you will go here in the submissions and it will probably have a choice for you to stick a link in there. So I open it on my end and I will open that link of your design. So don't forget, you have to put a title to the design that you make. So this one I could call it Cuando yo era niña, and it will save it for me. I hope that this helped. I'll be available for your questions. Thank you. Adios.